Conduction Assembly of 2021. Today marks an important event, a day when we recognize and officiate the young leaders of our school. Last year, we stood before you all as nominees, as a possibility to be a leader. And now we stand before you as leaders of the school. Being a leader is a strenuous task, as the expectations for one to be determined, kind, unprejudiced, and confident in their leadership methods is no easy feat. But as leaders, we are willing to rise up to the task and accept our head student responsibilities wholeheartedly. This is the same will and heart we would like to share with our fellow school leaders as well. From primary to secondary, we are confident that they will take on their leadership opportunity enthusiastically.
To our new student leaders of 2021, these are our words to you. The role of a leader is to be someone who people look to as a guide, someone who inspires confidence and initiative among their people to get things done, someone who sets the example and works alongside with their people so that everyone can achieve their goals. When you wear this badge, remember, your peers, family, and community members will look to you as the beacons of this school. Remain humble and polite, always ready to help those in need, and know that you have the full support of your loved ones and your school. To the leaders of 2021, we wish you the best of luck, and we can't wait to be working alongside with all of you closely in the near future. Thank you.
Now to start the formal part of our assembly. I would now like to invite Ms. Becky, Head of Primary, to the stage to introduce the primary leaders of 2021.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me great delight to announce the primary leaders for 2021. We will start with our class captains and then with our head students. After announcing all our leaders, we will ask the parents to come up and badge their child, then the parents will leave so the leaders can take their oath. So, class captains, 2B, John McElroy. 2M, Ewan Clark. 2L, Jack Walsh. 3A, Georgina Cullen. 3J, Prisha Punatoa. 3D, Marissa Rye. 4R, Libby Choi. 4B, Austin Winder. 4P, Yuan Fu. Now I'm very excited to announce our head students. They're only just finding out their roles right now. So our assistant head students this year for primary, Samira Goya. And Fadeen Muhammad. Primary head students for 2021, Jenna Stice. And Oscar Jizwiski. I would now like to invite the parents to come up on stage, get their child's badge, and come and badge them. Thank you. Leadership Pledge.
Good morning, parents, teachers, good morning, students. It's my privilege and honor to announce the 2021 class and deputy captains here in the secondary school. As I sit here, I think about our student leaders. I look up on the projectors that are on the side. Students, I feel like sometimes we put giants of leaders in front of you. We point to people like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela who affected change, but they're different. See, you're being faced with something that none of those great leaders before you have ever been faced with. And that is this school, these students in 2021. This is your context. This is your time to lead. This is your time to help shape and craft who we are and what we do. And it's no small task. I charge you to be those who listen, those who act, and those who reflect. Without further ado, I'd like to announce the class captains, the student leaders and deputies for 2021. In a like manner to primary, the students will come on and then we will invite the parents to badge. We begin with Year 6, Deputy Student Leader, Alina Seru. Deputy Student Leader, Ezra Wanganambete. Student Leader, Jana Zenos. Year 6 Student Leader, William Jackson. For Year 7, our Deputy Student Leader, Shumire Matafeni. Alongside us, Deputy Kai Nandofu. Year 7 Student Leader, Amelia Wood. And alongside Student Leader, Jared Lego. In Year 8, our Deputy Student Leader, Malia Larson. Also, Deputy Student Leader, Aiden Jamnadas. Student Leader for Year 8, Yue Ma. Also, Student Leader for Year 8, Kusei Jiwani. In Year 9, Deputy Student Leader, Anjali Mohan. Deputy Student Leader, Charles Lum. The student leaders for Year 8, Faith Tundreu. Also Student Leader, Wei Peng Yuan. In Year 10, our Deputy Student Leader, Cindy Saptafo. Also Deputy in Year 10, Min Tu Nguyen Le. Our Year 10 student leaders, Luciano Aha. Also leading in Year 10, Nirav Singh. professionals. We'll go 2, 3, and be off. Are you ready? 2, 3. Gentlemen,
We ask Miss Liu to take the stage and announce the house captains of 2021.
Good morning, everyone. I have the honor of announcing the 2021 house captains for both the primary school and secondary school. And first up, I'd like to call upon the primary house captains. Kiwi House Deputy, Farah McElroy. Kiwi House Captain, Lena Favai. Eagles House Deputy, Leela Young. And Eagle House Captain, Hafi Haziz. Iguana Deputy House Captain, Maria Yoon. And Iguana Captain, Oni Abrinilla. Kanga House Deputy Captain, Liam Armstrong. And Kanga House Captain, Flory Manoa. The house captains for secondary school are a surprise. They do not know who they are. They were voted in last week. And starting with Eagles, Deputy Captains, Noor Kamabaj and Ashley Singh. And House Captains, Josiah Stice and Malia Tunga. Kangas, Greenhouse. Deputy Captains, Masimeke Latianara and Leona Douglas. And House Captains, Mohammed Ziad Ali Safiq and Fiona Lego. Ziad will not be here today. Today he is fighting, he's a boxer, and he's fighting in the Golden Globes competition, which runs from Friday, Saturday through to Sunday. So wish him all the best in his competition. Iguana House, Deputy Captains, Aziz Aryan Rahman and Hannah Marlowe. And Iguana's Captain, Balian Saberi and Kashish Reshwani.
I am convinced from my own religious experience, put into practice the problems of our own multiracial Fiji, that it is only through dialogue that we can find real and lasting solutions. A personal credo by Ratu Kamsese Mat. Pulgunaka, I am Ikarimi Mefo Nabete, and I will be now reciting a Fijian poem made by fellow students sourced from several sightings. And I live kere and a non sala, lili nikua, imataka, kena wasinga katarama. Na lili sekoya, endue waktara, meraliuko ira, kaliutaka. Karai taka, na wasinga imatakana. Kefka kenda nambulia wakmataw na yaw, and enduri wakndandolo. And the nasanga ni rerwaka, na kena rawa ni rawati. Na weka tawakilai. And na karambui, and na weka era wabli tikenda, evaka na ve matani, waito puri tau madara. Itu da kimai namani aleo. Itu da kimai nadarubo. Tukana, tutaka na weka ligni itavi. Mbera tango maki, ira na muri kutiko. Lotongori na imbalbalani adamu, ngori na isosol, ona toya utaka. Kasai koe naka, wasamaite kuna ikeni kuwa. Inaka. I would now like to call upon Ms. Megan.
Mother Teresa said, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. I'm lucky enough to be able to introduce to you our head students who has already created many ripples. I'm very proud of our current 2021 team. They've already made their mark by being the key organisers of both this event and our welcome assembly, but also they've managed to run the Valentine's Day. They've also we had a wonderful event yesterday for the Lantern Festival to celebrate the end of the Chinese New Year. And some of them indeed were our dragons, so I take my hat off to them. Their next event will be to organise and celebrate International Women's Day on March the 8th. So already they are following their passion. They are creating those waves. They are an extremely special group of young people this year. So let's celebrate our head students. I'd like to call onto the stage Rosinda Suva+Kai. Lila Young. Ariane Kumar. Monica Fogg. Lahaiva Saud.
like to thank the people in our lives who have helped us stand up here as head students. Firstly, we would like to thank our families for always believing in us and raising us to become true leaders. Thank you to our friends for being with us and supporting us every step of the way. And lastly, thank you to our teachers and other staff members who have truly impacted our lives more than they would think. We as head students promise to uphold this name and badge with the utmost honor and pride.
Our vision for the school ranges from different aspects. We dream to further showcase our mixed cultural identity as an international school. Yesterday, we had an amazing line dance performance by our very own Year 12 students, who blessed our leaders with love for taking on the new role. We will soon initiate mentorship programs for each year level and secondary. We want to strengthen the bond between the students and build the school spirit. And lastly, we want to further showcase students with their non-academic skills, all in which will be possible through teamwork.
Leadership is not an easy task. We as head students have a vision and aim, and we are determined to achieve our aims. We will influence our peers and have positive and impactful communication. Leadership is about having the capacity to take decisions even in the midst of chaos and uncertainty. It is about managing visibility and shared understanding. It is linked to commitment, determination, teamwork, loyalty, and earning respect. Above all, leadership is about making a change for the benefit of the people you're serving.
All in all, we believe that all of you are leaders in your own way. You don't need to have a badge to be a leader. At times you'll fall or accelerate, but it is important to keep these wise words once mentioned by Drake. Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. You need a visionary approach, but you also need to be flexible and manage the journey to be able to achieve the mission effectively. The journey is something you should have a degree of control over. So, to all of our students, once you leave this hall, keep your head up and lead to the best of your abilities. You're not going. Now I would like to invite Dr. Cathers to the stage to deliver the principal's address.
Good morning and welcome. This is a very important annual event, installation of our student leaders. International School Suva is blessed with strong student leadership. At all levels, we have excellent student initiative, responsibility, confidence, and role modeling. These students represent all of us, and I believe all ISS students will, in different ways, lead their communities in the future. That is our legacy, hopefully. I am proud of each one of these student leaders, especially our class and house captains, our year level leaders, and especially our head students at all levels. I believe our school is in good hands, and we should be proud of our leaders and of all our students, and very confident in our future. Those are all the comments I need to make, I believe, because all of you know everything that I'm saying already. We are in good hands, as is our future and our planet. So congratulations to all, and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Cathers. An oldie but a goodie. A few years ago, the popular song Mainganga Voli by the group Makare became an opportunity for students to choreograph a performance incorporating the dance styles of the Pacific. Let's put our hands together and welcome on stage our beautiful secondary girls that will be reviving Mainganga Voli. Let's give it up for the girls, please.
see that performed again, and I know Ms. Wanganibete and I were part of that group. It would have been 5 years ago that that performance was choreographed, and it's nice to see it back on stage. Okay, the first inter-house competition for the year, fun sports. A massive afternoon of absolute chaos. We even had the teachers in the team, but we didn't add their points to this because they would have won it. Right, teachers? No. Right. Okay, here we go. Third runner-up with 622 points, iguanas. Second runner-up with 658 points, eagles. It seemed appropriate that the final event, which was the tug of war, should determine, well, not determine, but bring the two leading houses together. 1,258 points and 1,618 points. The winning house for 2021. Stop. This will be the first trophy awarded to that